Residents of Basingstoke are very well aware of. And he runs the yoga classes. And another attribute of him is he's done a London to Delhi cycle ride himself. So such a dedication is very admirable. So thank you. And Srinivasi wants to speak about certain things. About our Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism, there is two things that we attribute to the Hinduism Sanatana Dharma. One is yoga and second is Bhagavad Gita. And this is the perfect person to speak about Bhagavad Gita. So please may I invite you to say a few things about Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.
नमस्कार. पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन कृतां पुराणमीनां मध्ये महाभारतम्. In the middle of the Mahabharata, God, the great gift for all our lives, all this world, Bhagavad Gita, with the blessings of Vyasa Mahamuni. In this Bhagavad Gita, we have 700 slokas. Everything is a great message, but some of the most important things we always need to remember in our day-to-day life is Bhagavan explained in this world how to live happily without dukkha. This is a lifestyle. He explained the lifestyle. So we must design our lifestyle according to Bhagavan's message, Bhagavan's direction. So Bhagavan says, Yuktahara viharasya, yukta chestashu karmasu, yukta swapnava bodhasya, yogo bhavati dukkhaha. So to remove all the sorrows, the first thing is Yuktahara, the wise food, the right food. Viharasya, yukta chestasya karmasu, that means right food, right action, the right entertainment also. And then he said, Yukta Swapnava Bhavadasya. See, when you are having a sleep, the right time sleep. So it's all discipline in life. What is explained is discipline. This discipline removes all the dukkhas from the life. So how it removes is basically the right food includes a sattvic food. He is also given what food to be eaten. In that first purity of the food. The wise food, it says, Ayush sattva balarogya sukha priti vivardhanaha rasya snigdha stira hridya ahara sattvika priyaha. Ahara, the food, not only just giving the health, it also should give a sattva guna, the goodness. The goodness aspect is very important. If you get the rajoguna and tamoguna, your lives will be screwed up. And in this Ayush Sattva Balarogya, whatever the food, it increases the longevity of the life and gives you the health. Bala, that means strength, stamina, such food. At the same time, it also gives the Sattva Guna, Ayush Sattva, Bala Arogya, healthy food. So we must adopt to the only healthy food. No junk food. That is means here itself we confirmed that okay, this is the junk food causes dukkhas. In the next sloka he is explained like katramla, lavana, tushtya, tikshna, rukshna, idehna. So that means you are having spicy and salty, oily. These kind of foods gives you dukkha soka. So that is what nowadays when the world is facing. The most of the people are suffering with the problems because of the junk foods. Am I right? So that is the first thing we all must correct. The purity of the food is very important. When you take the food, that is why in our dharma we pray food. Before taking the food, we pray the food. And when you prepare food, we have to have a right mindset. The great mindset. The purity, that is why we chanted Vishnu Sahasranama. Actually, when we are doing cooking, prasad, that is called as a prasad. Daily, not only in the puja, but every day when you are preparing food means, and mother prepares, that is a prasad for everyone. So that means with Vishnu Sahasranama, when you are chanting, the main ingredient is not the masalas. The ingredient is Vishnu Sahasranama. So the Vishnu Sahasranama, the chant, the vibrations that creates the great difference. My experience, I tell you, when I prepare the food, I prepare with the Vishnu Sahasranama. The people feel the difference. So when in Manavata ashrams we set up some orphanages in India, I set up in different places. The orphan kids, they became great transformation. It's a simple thing. They are in a different mood, different mindset. But with this purity of the food, they transformed their life into the goodness. So that is how our children, the next generation, we need to bring that purity just by transforming the food as a prasad and with the sattvic food. Not just eating everything outside. This body is not a dustbin. This is a body, is a temple. So has a 3 times timings also there. The morning, the Naivedya time, afternoon Naivedya time, evening Naivedya time, according to the sun movement, not according to our own wish. So after sunset, no food. So that is a kind of structure we have built according to our dharma. So that is basically to bring the right lifestyle. Okay. So this try to remember and follow this wonderful message of Lord. I'm sure you will gain the great life and the great benefit. And that's why Buddhiyukto Jahadiha Ubesu Dushkude Tasmat Yoga Yajasva Yoga Karma Sukoshalam. So we say yoga, and all Western the yoga, whatever you see, all physical dimension of it. Everyone sees only just an asanas and some exercises. So everyone thinks that yoga is an exercise. No, what is it? Yoga karma sukoshalam. Yoga is dexterity in every action, the excellence in every action. That means the wise action should be the kaushalam means kushala karma. The action we do must be pure. Such action perform with excellence. What is motivated Arjuna is to do the righteousness, fight for the righteousness. So that's what we all have to do. Fight for the righteousness. Fight for the protecting our mother nature. Live up to the mark like eco-friendly, not damaging our earth. That is why the cycling I did, cycling for humanity, to save Mother Earth. No factory foods, no junk foods. First leave that factory food to avoid the pollution. If we avoid the factory food and have the only pure farm food, whatever is coming from the Mother Nature, have that pure food, that will change not only your life, great health, that is a benefit to the Mother Earth. So that is why this purity of the food is very important. Please change your food and please become eco-friendly, and Mother Earth is our real mother. Please protect Mother Earth. That is a campaign I've been doing. Almost 30,000 kilometers I cycled in 18 countries. All the campaign I've been doing humanity. Protect the humanity in the next generation. So because it is becoming so irresponsible, lot of problems happening because of these plastics and non-biodegradables, etc. See, wherever possible, simplify the life, simplify the whole food and everything, and use the rest of the life for the better purpose, better cause. So to doing this something, I really appreciate. I'm very blessed to attend here because all of you celebrating here. I've been actually campaigning and taking these classes. Today morning also I took the class here, yoga class. So I've been traveling all UK and taking these sessions in different various places, conducting these international yoga day events and motivational healthy living workshops in different locations. So in this occasion I came to Basic Store. I'm so blessed on the full moon day, the Paurnami day. We are all together celebrating Satyanarayana Swami Puja. It's a great blessing for all of us, and it is not my words. I think it is His blessing for all of us. His words came through my mouth. I'm not actually qualified to actually give His message. I'm only just a drop in the ocean. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I wish you all the best. And those who wants to do the daily yoga, I take the 6 o'clock morning online session on the Zoom, and friend, you can ask our friend, he will give you the online link also. So you all welcome to join. Thank you very much. Manavata is a website also there, manavata.org. Thank you. Namaskar.